Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I will present the construction law on contract, which is the tutorial 2. Question 1. What is the difference between the terms practical completion, substantial completion, sectional completion, and also the partial possession? For the definition of the practical completion, which is the defects liability period during which the contractor is required to correct any problems that are discovered, begins after practical completion have been reached. For the substantial completion, it refers to when the building can be used for its intended purpose even if it is not considered complete. For the sectional completion, the provision within construction contracts allowing different completion dates for different sections of the works allow the client to take possession of the completed parts whilst construction continues on others. For the partial possession, it means that as construction nears completion, there can be considerable to allow the client or tenants to take possession of part of a building or site even if the works are ongoing or there are defects that have not been rectified. For the clause that we can refer is in PWD 203A Revision 1 2010. In clause 39, completion of works, clause 41, sectional completion, and in PAM contract 2018, you can see at clause 16, which is partial possession by employer. For the cases related in this question, it is University of Warwick versus Balfour Beatty Group Ltd. It says that adjudicator made a point of stating that the Finnish National Automotive Innovation Centre could only be occupied and utilised after all sections have achieved practical completion. In his decision, in relation to PC, which is practical completion, he employed what he called a literal interpretation of the contract, noting that while this meaning may seem illogical, the party usage of the words is clear and ambiguous. Next is question 2. The question is, under the Public Work Department, which is PWD forms, how does the Superintendent Officer, SO, decides that the works have reached completion? Can the contractor validly challenge the SO certification based on the existing provision? Advice. If the contractor believes that the works are practically finished, the contractor must give written notice to the SO to that effect. The SO shall carry out testing or inspection of the work, which is issue the certificate of practical completion to the contractor if in his opinion the whole works have reached practical completion. Then have satisfactorily passed any inspection or tests carried out by the SO. And the date of such completion shall be certified by the SO, and such date shall be the date of the commencement of defect liability period. However, if there are any incomplete works, the contractor must fix them before the certificate of practical completion is issued. A certificate of practical completion cannot be given to the contractor until the remedial work has been successfully completed within a reasonable time frame and to the SO satisfaction. The contractor can validly challenge the SO certification if there is no agreed discussion between the contractor and the SO. Then the contractor cannot validly challenge the SO certification if they have agreed together with the discussion. For the cases related is Kerajaan Malaysia versus Global Upline Sdn Bhd 2017. In the absence of a contractual definition for practical completion, completion means that construction works agreed to be undertaken are completed except for very minor diminished work not carried out. It was held that completion means that the project should be in a state of readiness for beneficial use or occupation by the employer. That's all from me. Thank you.